Water in the morning or evening when the temperatures are cooler. This will reduce the amount of water lost to evaporation. Water deeply and less frequently rather than lightly and frequently. This will encourage the roots to grow deeper into the soil and make your plants more drought tolerant. Avoid watering the leaves of the plants, as this can lead to disease and fungus growth. Instead, aim the water at the base of the plant where the roots are. Use a soaker hose or drip irrigation system to deliver water directly to the plant's roots. This reduces the amount of water lost to evaporation and ensures the water goes where it's needed. Use organic fertilizers, such as compost or manure, to provide nutrients to your plants. These types of fertilizers release nutrients slowly over time and improve soil quality. Apply fertilizer at the appropriate time. For example, apply nitrogen-rich fertilizers in the spring when plants are actively growing, and phosphorus-rich fertilizers when the plants are producing flowers or fruit. Don't over-fertilize. Too much fertilizer can burn the plants and lead to excessive leaf growth at the expense of flowers and fruit. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package, and avoid getting fertilizer on the leaves of the plants.